Hi guys, in this quick tutorial, I will show you how to make a smooth Godrays transition effect. First, ready with two clips. Now make an adjustment layer. Now duplicate it 2 times. On bottom layer, make a shake effect. I use here my shake preset. On upper layer, apply BCC half tone effect. Set HT scale 7.5. Set mix with original 50. On middle layer, apply tritone effect. Choose a mid-tones color. After that, apply Godrays effect. Set length 500. Exposure 4. Amount 200. After that, make opacity effect. Now make opacity graph. Now copy opacity keyframes and paste it on upper layer. Now our Godrays effect is ready. Thanks for watching this. See you soon guys.